What's up, people? It's about Triple L. You're watching Triple L TV. Yeah, we're just coming back from my little daughter, my little princess birthday party. It was alright. It was good. It was fun. I didn't actually make a video, but take pictures. So I'll share the clip with you guys and in our birthday outfit and how we dressed the parents, like the family member, dad, grandma. And this is her shirt. Say Abigail first birthday, and in the back of the 18 and Mark dad. So yeah, it was pretty fun. That's the reason why I didn't actually make a video. I just want it to be our day to spend time with her, running around, doing this, doing that. So just want to make it her day. So that's why I didn't actually make a video, but I take pictures as I said before. So I'm gonna share them with you guys. So yeah, just a little thing, show how the day go and all that and stuff like that. Keep you guys up to date. So yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned with the channel. It's about Triple L. You're watching Triple L TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Oh yeah, there was a lot of Guyanese there. Out of all them, like majority of those people was Guyanese. I tell you, they're fun people. Guyanese, big up on yourself. Yeah, Jamaica straight. What other thing? I'm out. Big up on yourself. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abigail. Happy birthday to you.
Say thank you. You gotta blow it out. You know how to blow out? Don't touch them.
You won. So you get,
No, don't touch them.
We'll blow.
Blow. Look.
Let daddy help you.
Daddy help you blow. Abby, look. Blow.
I blow by 1, 2, 3. Blow.
Blow, Carlando. Blow. She's fanning. Good job, Abby. Happy birthday.
You. Get it. Don't take it off. You guys like a new year style. I think mommy did a wonderful job. Right? Mommy did a wonderful job, right? She's really tall. Gonna let them know it's a birthday.
Look at Daddy say cheese.
Say cheese. No, leave it. So. Huh?
Careful with your fingers. Excuse me. Abby, look. Abby, say, look. I got unicorns. Look. Where's my dad?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Smash the cake, Abby. Smash the cake.
There you go.
And the cake is a finger cake.
It's a smash cake. Smash cake.
Smash the cake, Abby.
I checked out. I'm getting it. Oh my God. Here you go, baby.
You want to ballad?
That's one of the best Guyanese food in a taste of far. What the guys know about that sauce?
What the guys know about that?
It's your boy TripleL. Are you watching TripleL TV? Thanks you guys for watching. Big up on yourself.